If you're over the maintenance and upkeep of falsies, you've come to the right place. In fact, there are several ways to grow out your own lashes naturally without resorting to eyelash extensions or crazy false lashes. Whether it's moisturizing them with various oils and serums or simply combing them through, there are plenty of easy and effective ways to make your lashes grow longer and stronger. When it comes to growing your eyelashes, there are plenty of hacks worth trying before you seek any prescription treatments. In fact, a lot of people have had luck using these products to stimulate hair growth on their lash lines. But, as with any product, be sure to check with your doctor or dermatologist before adding new things into your beauty routine. It's always best to check with your own personal expert to rule out any possible allergens. 1. Use olive oil. There's a lot of lore out there that olive oil can improve the length and strength of your lashes. Natural olive oil is rich in essential fatty acids that act as emollients, moisturizing and softening your eyelashes. Pro tip: the easiest way to apply these oils is to get disposable mascara brushes and dip them into the oil, then brush the oil onto your lashes. 2. Apply vitamin E oil. Beloved by both Kardashians and bloggers alike, vitamin E oil has long been used to promote stronger and more moisturized eyelashes. While science hasn't definitively proven it promotes hair growth, you can't argue with hundreds of Amazon reviewers. This vitamin E oil is affordable and designed for use on your skin and hair. This oil can be applied topically to your skin and hair, and is even safe to ingest as an oral supplement. Not only does it moisturize, but it can even boost your immune health. 3. Moisturize with coconut oil. Not only is virgin coconut oil safe for use around your eyes, but it's also a great moisturizer and strengthener for your eyelashes. In fact, one study showed that by applying coconut oil to your hair before and after washing it, you can prevent your hair from protein loss. And, if you are wary of dipping your mascara wand in a bottle of 100% natural coconut oil, you can simply pick up a little bit on your fingertips, rub it into your fingers, and then rub your eyelashes. This will transfer the coconut oil to your eyelashes to boost softness and strength. 4. Consider Biotin. If you've ever looked into hair growth of any kind, eyelash or otherwise, you've probably heard of Biotin. Does Biotin actually improve your hair growth? According to Dr. Shanehouse, specific nutritional, vitamin, and mineral deficiencies can ultimately affect hair growth. While taking vitamin and mineral supplements will not stimulate hair growth in and of themselves, sorry if you bought bottles of Biotin. If you are deficient in certain ones, iron, vitamin B12, protein intake, vitamin D, or biotin, though this is very rare, your hair will not grow as well. So, while biotin may not be the right supplement for everyone, it's helpful to know what your vitamin and mineral deficiencies are when trying to grow hair back anywhere on your body. And, even without the science backing it, this biotin supplement is a popular option that many reviewers say help them with their personal hair growth journey. Have you tried any of these remedies? Let us know in the comments section down below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe.